retard! Do it!
Thanks to you guys, we have hit 1 million subscribers. So we decided to do what you guys had requested. So they made it. We're gonna skate it. It is real metal. I just wanna...
Des.
Shut up. No, you see how much better this one is? We're gonna skate it. I have a feeling by the end of this, all the gold is gonna be like rubbed off. It's like the iPad. What? Oh, yes. There's a mani pad.
Another package.
Could this be? The fuck is this? What is it saying? It's the 1 million one, and it's fucking broken! Congrats for surpassing 1 million. Oh, that's cool. That happened years ago. Give me 44 of these!
I want 4 diamond play buttons.
You know, now that I have this,
It just hit me.
I won't be needing this now.
We're very grateful to have this award.
Alright, let's do this. Time to cut open the golden play button.
You crazy mother...
Yep, it's hot.
It's not silver.
It's not silver. So fucking stupid.
Do it, you retard! Do it!
What do you do? Drove off the play button. It's like not even funny. I don't get how that's funny.
Look how destroyed it is. Look at this thing. So in the shipping.
We must deal with it. And here we go. Now the button is free and there is hardly any damage at all. There is this flat surface on the top of.
Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Nothing's happening. Why is nothing happening?
I don't care if you broke my phone, but don't hurt my diamond play button. Monthly live streams. Oh no. That's what happened. Knocked the diamond loose. Oh God. YouTube, I need another one. Cause the diamond came out. Ah, shit. God damn it.
What the f- Oh, what? What the flying F-word? It's literally... Wow, that is the ultimate shit show. Wow, can we, let's see. All right, yeah, that's all.
got a cut in it. Yeah! Cleaned it off as much as I could, but it looks like there's a scratch right there. Oh, poor button. You can see the metal, you can see the little shavings on the back that came off of it from cutting it.